So the issue of inclusivity being one of the points that was signed in the Building Bridges initiative is something every Kenyan desires, so that we do not have a Kenya that is not inclusive enough, or parts of Kenya that feel left out of the leadership of the country. But as you can follow the debate that is ongoing, that has been in this country for a while, you know that the problem our brothers and friends in the Kenya Kwanza have is that perhaps they don't say what they mean and they don't mean what they say. Because if they are talking about opposing BBI because of creation of positions, and they themselves are creating the same positions, then really, fellow Kenyans, can we trust these fellows? Everything they are telling us, when given the opportunity, they might turn around and say, okay, that's not what we meant. So these we are leaving to Kenyans to tell for themselves in the next 80 or so days, the leaders we are going to put in office. They must be trustworthy leaders. There must be leaders who say what they mean and mean what they say.
And one can now see the political panorama unfolding, where from moment to moment we've been told that the Azimio package has been telling Kenyans that the best they can do is to create positions. And we did say quite clearly that we were not able to create positions just for the sake of it. We were doing it because one of the biggest drawback in our quest for multipartyism was the language of inclusivity in any society. And we felt that we were not being inclusive enough to accommodate all the Kenyans in the government of their choice, and therefore we needed to expand the political space. And with the expansion of the political space, we were able to also expand the economic opportunities to our people, so we can grow the GDP of this country to a new level.